We are going to start off with some cleaned thighs with back ribs in it. These came from the food bank. Today we are going to bake these, and I am going to use my seasonings on it. The first thing I want to put on it though is some olive oil. A little olive oil in here to coat the meat. Just a little. So I'm gonna just rub that over that. Because I'm cooking this with the skin side up. And I'm gonna season these very well. I'm putting seasoning salt on here. And on here. Curry seasoning, or I'm sorry, curry powder on here. I like curry powder, and of course you can season your chicken, your whatever, any way you like. This is the seasoning I'm using. Thyme on here. I'm using my fabulous white pepper. I'm going to use paprika on here because it's just for color. We want a dark color on our chicken. Okay, we got our meat seasoned and everything, and we're going to put a top on it and let that cook for about 30 minutes, and then we'll take the lid off and let it go from there. We want all this chicken to cook. Okay, 30 minutes, covered in the oven at 400 degrees. In with no lid. 10 minutes, no lid. All set. That is my meal for today. Let's check out the chicken. Oh, it's so juicy.